ChatGPT just released one of its best features in a long time, and that is this shopping research tool, where if you're looking for a product or service, it goes out by itself and researches the best options based on their price and benefits. This is especially useful when you're looking for services like handyman, repairs, contractors, things that are harder to research and get prices for. And the formatting is also very useful with this comparison chart it creates. So to use this, we'll go to a new chat, click the plus icon, and then press Shopping Research. Now I'll enter what I'm looking to research, which is moving services in my area. Before it begins researching, it asks you some specific questions about what you're looking for to get more relevant results. Then it begins researching. And now it's complete. Took 7 minutes. Gives us a summary at the top, then the best choice it recommends, and then it ranks the rest of the options it found. And then at the bottom, here's a nice detailed comparison table of all of the choices. Here's another example of this, when I did shopping research for the cheapest drone compatible with ArduPilot. And here's the finished research. Again, the best overall pick at the top, this time the comparison table right after, followed by the rest of the options it found in ordered ranking.